हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी। आई होप आप सभी बहुत अच्छे से होंगे। क्लास की शुरुआत करते हैं। चैप्टर है हमारा फोर्स, वर्क एंड एनर्जी। लर्निंग आउटकम्स, फोर्स, एनर्जी, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, सिंपल मशीन। हाय फ्रेंड्स, force is a pull or push that makes an object move. Force is indeed needed to do work. Force helps in setting a body in motion. It can also help in stepping the body which is in motion. Let us find more about force, work and energy. सबसे पहला force. A force is a push or pull that causes an object to speed up, slow down, change shape or change direction. We push or pull things around us to get different jobs done, and while performing different activities. Even when we walk, we push ourselves against the ground to move. Sometimes the force you apply as push or pull is not enough to move an object. बच्चों, फोर्स जो है एक पुश और पुल है जो कि स्पीड अप में, स्लो डाउन में, चेंज शेप और चेंज डायरेक्शन के लिए किया जाता है. इफेक्ट्स of force. Force is something that cannot be seen, but its effect can be felt and observed. Some effects forces are, बच्चों force जो है हम इसे देख तो नहीं सकते लेकिन इसे feel किया जा सकता है. कैसे? A force can move a body at rest. It can also increase the speed of a moving body. A force can slow down a moving body. It can also stop the moving body. A force can change the direction of a motion of a moving body. A force can change the shape of a body. Force, push or pull, energy, the ability to work. Types of force. The forces that we experience in our daily life are of different types. Gravitational force. Gravity is a force of attraction that exists between any two bodies or any two particles. It is an attraction that exists between all objects everywhere in the universe. Gravity वो force है, वो attraction है जो कि दो bodies, दो particles के बीच में exist करता है. The Earth's gravitational force can be described as the attraction between objects and the Earth. It is a force that attracts objects towards the center of the earth. It is the earth's gravity that keeps human beings, animals and all the other objects on the ground. It is this that makes a ball fall down when we throw it up in the sky. Gravity always pulls and never pushes. Big breakthrough. Sir Isaac Newton discovered that a force is required to change the speed और डायरेक्शन ऑफ अ मूवमेंट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. सर इसैक न्यूटन ने डिस्कवर किया था कि एक फोर्स जो है वो रिक्वायर्ड है जहाँ पर चेंज किया जाता है स्पीड और डायरेक्शन किसी भी मूवमेंट किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का. ही एक्सप्लोर्ड एंड कंक्लूडेड दैट द फोर्स कॉल्ड ग्रेविटी मस्ट मेक एन एप्पल फॉल फ्रॉम अ ट्री, और ह्यूमंस एंड एनिमल्स लिव ऑन द स्पाइनिंग प्लैनेट विदाउट बीइंग थ्रोन ऑफ. Furthermore, he worked out that a force of gravity exists between all objects. Magnetic force. The force of push or pull that acts between two magnets or a magnet and a piece of metal such as iron and nickel is called magnetic force. This property of a magnet is called magnetism. Electrostatic force. At some point of time in our lives, we have viewed thick brick in which a comb rubbered through dry hair is able to attract bits of paper. Scientifically, we would say that here electrostatic force come into play. The comb is said to get charged when rubbed through dry hair and attracts tiny bits of paper. This attraction is defined as electrostatic force. बच्चों, अब आ जाते हैं मैग्नेटिज्म पर. पुश एंड पुल अप्लाइड बाय मैग्नेट्स ऑन सम मेटल्स. Frictional force. Friction is a force that opposes motion or makes it difficult for an object to move across a surface. बच्चों, फ्रिक्शन जो है एक फोर्स है जो ऑपोजिट करता है मोशन को और डिफिकल्ट करता है किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को किसी भी सर्फेस से मूव करने के लिए. Whenever an object moves against another object, it feels frictional force. This force acts in opposite direction to the movement, so friction makes it harder for things to move. Friction between the moving parts of a machine can be reduced by using oil. Friction is called a necessary evil. Table given below shows some advantages and disadvantages of friction. यहाँ पर advantages और disadvantages दिए गए हैं फ्रिक्शन के. Friction between our shoes and floor prevent us from slipping and help us to walk and run. Friction between vehicles and the road prevent them from skidding and helps them move. Friction between the brakes and wheels help vehicles slow down. Friction between a pencil and paper helps us to write. Disadvantages क्या क्या है? Pushing or pulling things on the ground is made hard by friction. Thus, we get tired and exhausted while moving heavy loads. The moving parts of a machine become hot due to friction. This may damage the parts due to excessive heat. The tires of a vehicle and the soles of our shoes wear and tear because of friction. Engines of automobiles consume more fuel due to friction. अब आते हैं एनर्जी पर. Sometimes we feel that we have lots of energy. At other times we feel tired and drained of energy. We use the word एनर्जी एवरीडे बट इन साइंस इट हैज़ द प्रिसाइज मीनिंग. हम एनर्जी का इस्तेमाल हर रोज़ करते हैं, लेकिन साइंस में इसका अलग ही एक प्रिसाइज मीनिंग है. एनर्जी इज़ द एबिलिटी टू डू वर्क. एनर्जी क्या है? एक एबिलिटी है जिससे हम काम करते हैं. सो वी कैन वर्क व्हेन वी हैव एनर्जी एंड नीड टू स्टॉप वर्किंग एंड टेक रेस्ट व्हेन वी लैक एनर्जी. एनर्जी इज फाउंड इन वेरियस फॉर्म्स. सम फॉर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जी दैट वी कम अक्रॉस डे टू डे आर heat energy. Heat is a type of energy. We obtain heat energy by burning fuels such as LPG, CNG, kerosene and coal. We use heat energy for activities such as cooking food, boiling water and keeping warm during winter. Friction, a force that tries to oppose motion. Machine, a tool that makes work easier and faster. Light energy. Light energy helps us to see things around us. The sun is a natural and the biggest source of light. Living things need light to survive, including plants, animals and human beings. Bulbs, tube lights and candles are man-made resources of light. ये सभी man-made resources of light है. Light energy क्या है? जिसे हम अपने आसपास हर जगह देख सकते हैं. सन जो है नेचुरल बिगेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ लाइट माना जाता है. लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए, उनके सर्वाइवल के लिए लाइट कितना ज़रूरी है ये हम सभी जानते हैं. फिर चाहे वो प्लांट्स हो, एनिमल्स हो, ह्यूमंस हो. हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले पढ़ा है चैप्टर में इसके बारे में. मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, द एनर्जी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स मोशन और position is called its mechanical energy. The energy is called potential when position is considered. The energy is kinetic when the motion is considered. जब पोजीशन कंसिडर किया जाता है तो एनर्जी पोटेंशियल मानी जाती है. जब मोशन कंसिडर किया जाता है तो एनर्जी काइनेटिक मानी जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाटर स्टोर्ड behind a dam has potential energy. When this water is made to fall from a height, the energy gets converted to kinetic energy. Electrical energy, all the appliances in our home such as television, computer, washing machines, microwaves, ovens, juices and grinders are run by electrical energy. This energy also lights bulbs, tube lights and lamps. The electrical energy powers up all the devices used in factories. We get electrical energy from power stations as well as from batteries. Wind energy. Wind is in air in motion. The ability of the wind to do work and move the windmill is because of wind energy. This wind energy is used to generate electricity in windmills. Wind farms are placed where it is nearby, always windy. The electricity that is generated at a wind farm is sold to electricity companies that provide electricity to people living in cities and towns. Sound energy. Sound is produced when forces causes an object to vibrate. The vibration gets transmitted through a medium which can be solid, liquid or gas. Sound energy helps us to hear sound. Music system and radios are some sources of sound energy. Geothermal energy. Geo means earth and thermal means heat. So this type of energy is found under the earth. The hot lava from a volcano and the hot steam from a geyser both come from the interiors of the earth. This heat energy obtained from the within the earth is called geothermal energy. Its heat can be used to produce electricity. Solar energy. The sun is the source of solar energy. The sun rays can be used to produce heat that can be used to cook food and heat water. Large solar cells are used to produce electricity from sunlight. प्रैक्टिस टाइम पर आते हैं. राइट टी फॉर ट्रू एंड एफ फॉर फॉल्स. बच्चे इसकी प्रैक्टिस खुद से कीजिएगा. अब आते हैं लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी. The law of conservation of energy states that the total energy of our universe is always the same. We can never create or destroy energy. Energy can only be transformed from one form to another. For instance, a solar cell converts light energy into electricity and an electric heater converts electrical energy into heat energy. बच्चों, law of conservation बताता है एनर्जी का. ये कहता है कि जो यूनिवर्स में जितनी एनर्जी है वो हमेशा सेम रहने वाली है. ये कभी भी डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होने वाली है. एनर्जी को हम डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, एनर्जी को हम ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं एक फॉर्म से किसी और फॉर्म में. Simple machines. When you think of a machine, you probably imagine something that is made of metal, has many moving parts such as pistons and gears, and make a lot of noise. Here, we will read about some simple machines that are very simple in nature and don't make much noise. जब भी हम machines की बात करते हैं तो हमारा मतलब कि होता है किसी भी मेटल से बनी धातु जो कि ज़्यादा आवाज़ करती है. लेकिन हम यहाँ पर सिंपल मशीन के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं जो कि बहुत कम नॉइज़ करती है या तो नॉइज़ ही नहीं करती है. टूल्स which make our work easier and faster are machines. Machines do work either by increasing force or speed or by changing the direction of force. Thus, machines reduce our effort. The earliest machine discovered by a man was wheel. Some common simple machines are lever, inclined plane, pulley, screw, wedge, wheel and axle. Lever. The lever is a rigid bar or rod that can turn around a fixed point called fulcrum. The object a lever moves is called load, and force applied to move a load is called effort. Closer the load to the fulcrum, it is easier to move the load. We are surrounded by levers like hammers, axes, tongs, knives, scissors, etc. On the basis of position of load, fulcrum and effort, they can be categorized in three different classes. Class 1, lever. In class 1, lever fulcrum is at the center. Load and effort points are at opposite ends. A seesaw, scissors, hand pump, beam balance are common examples of class 1 levers. Class 2 lever. A class 2 lever is arranged differently with fulcrum at one end and effort at another end. Load is applied in the middle. Nutcrackers, bottle openers and wheelbarrow are examples of class 2 levers. Class 3 lever. In this lever, effort is applied in the middle, while fulcrum and load all at applied ends. Tongs, forceps, fishing rods, etc. are examples of class 3 lever. अब आते हैं lever, a rigid bar or rod that rests on the turns around a fixed point. Fulcrum, a fixed point around which a lever turns. Practice time. Write 1, 2 and 3 for class 1 and class 2 and class 3 levers respectively in the boxes given below. इसकी practice खुद से कीजिएगा. Inclined plane, it is a sloping surface or a slanting surface which connects a lower level to higher level. It helps to push or pull, roll up objects on a lower or higher place. This simple machine does not reduce the amount of work but make it easier to do. Ramp, slanted road, path up a hill, etc. are examples of inclined plane. सबसे पहला pulley. Pulley is made up of a rope that fits on the groove of the wheel. It changes the direction of force and make it easier to lift heavy objects to a height. ये height से इसको easy हो जाता है, किसी भी object को, किसी भी heavy object को lift कर सकता है. There are of two types. ये दो type के होते हैं. सबसे पहला है fixed pulley. In a fixed pulley, the pulley is attached to a hook or a wall and is fixed. It makes work easier by changing the direction of force. Belts and flagpoles are examples of fixed pulleys. फिर है movable pulley. In movable pulley, one end of the rope is fixed while pulley moves with the load. Cranes, tackle pulley in sleighing boats are examples. फिर है wheel and axle. An axle is the rod that goes through the wheel and lets the wheel to turn, and thus an axle and wheel become a simple machine which make easy to move things from one place to another. Steering wheel, bicycle, sewing machine, door, knobs, roller, stake, etc. are examples of this machine. फिर आता है screw. This is a simple machine made from another simple machine. It is actually an inclined plane wrapped around a rod. Spirally, screws are used to lower and raise things. They are also used to hold objects together. Some examples are light bulbs, stools, jacks, wrenches, etc. Wedge. A wedge is made up of two planes. At least one of them is inclined, ending in a sharp edge. It has a blunt and a sharp end. It is used to cut material. Some examples are razor, axe and knife. Moral learned. Say yes to solar energy, the readily available non-polluting source of energy. Find out more about such sources of energy. बच्चों solar energy और इनसे related energy के बारे में और ज़्यादा अधिक जानकारी को find out कीजिए. इसकी practice खुद से कीजिएगा. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Force is a push or pull that causes an object to speed up, slow down, change shape or change direction. The different types of forces are gravitational force, magnetic force, electrostatic force and frictional force. Energy is the ability to do work. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Simple machines are tools that make work easier. Lever is a rigid bar or rod that rests on and turns around a support called fulcrum. In class 1 lever, fulcrum is between load and effort, and in class 2 lever, load is between fulcrum and effort. In class 3 lever, effort is between load and fulcrum. An inclined plane is a slanting surface that connects lower level to higher level. Pulley is a simple machine made with a rope or chain wrapped around a wheel. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod spirally. A wedge is an object made up of two inclined planes ending in a sharp edge. अब आते हैं wedge पर. A simple machine to cut objects parts. बच्चों अब आ जाते हैं tickle your brain पर. Write T for true statements and F for false one. There are 4 types of lever: true, false, आगे की प्रैक्टिस खुद से कीजिएगा। मैच द फॉलोइंग, बच्चों सही आंसर जो है उस पर आपको मैच करना है, इसकी प्रैक्टिस खुद से कीजिएगा। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, जो ब्लैंक्स है वहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर आपको फिल करना है, इसकी प्रैक्टिस खुद से कीजिएगा। नेम द फॉलोइंग, बच्चों चैप्टर की मदद से इसे खुद से कीजिएगा। टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। द फोर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर होल्डिंग अस ऑन द ग्राउंड इज ग्रेविटी। ऑप्शन 1, ऑप्शन 2, ऑप्शन 3, ऑप्शन 4। आगे की प्रैक्टिस खुद से कीजिएगा। आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन ब्रीफ, बच्चों इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। इनके आंसर्स आपको ब्रीफली देने हैं। आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन डिटेल, इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर को आपको डिटेलिंग में देना है, इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप चैप्टर की मदद से खुद से कीजिएगा। स्किल बेस्ड एक्टिविटीज, ब्रेन बॉगर हॉट्स, स्पून एंड स्विंग नीडल आर ऑल्सो सिंपल मशीन, ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सिंपल मशीन्स दे आर। बच्चों यहाँ पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, इसको ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़िए, समझिए और उसके बाद में इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट, बच्चों यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट दिए गए हैं, इसे ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़िए, समझिए और इसके बाद में इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप अच्छे से कीजिएगा। प्रोजेक्ट टाइम, मेक अ लिस्ट of day-to-day activities where you require energy and force. Also identify, not jot down the names of some simple machines that you use on daily basis. Elaborate on what would happen without those simple machines. बच्चों इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। आई होप आज की क्लास में हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा। अब आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस खुद से करते रहिएगा।